Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing. Install the FF resolution changer and grant storage and overlay permissions so the app can read and apply display settings. Once done, back up the original display profile or take a screenshot to restore later if needed. Then open the app and immediately choose an existing profile or create a new profile named for your device or app. This lets you test safely. Make sure to select the correct output mode so you don't apply wrong values accidentally. Now perform the core changes. Pick your target resolution such as 1280 x 720 or 1920 x 1080 and set DPI if the app exposes it. DPI alters UI scale and can fix clipped elements. Next, adjust scaling and choose the correct aspect ratio, for example 16:9 versus 4:3, and set any frame rate limits the app offers. Use the preview or test mode. Apply small, incremental changes and observe performance. Finish by saving the profile and applying the changes. Some devices require a reboot, so do it when prompted. Then test inside the target app or game and watch for increased temperature, stutter, or UI clipping. Verify clarity versus performance. If you see problems, restore the backup profile immediately, lower resolution or DPI in small steps, and clear the app cache before retesting. One key troubleshooting tip: if the display is unreadable, boot to safe mode or use recovery to revert display settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.